Hello, everybody. It's Robin Da Vinci, the Money Lady, and I'm here to do something that I'm going to kind of rewind in history and tell you that a long time ago, when they would say, what are the top 5 issues that voters face in this country? And they would say, healthcare and living wage and all those important things. But at the end of the day, they'd say, it's the economy, stupid. And that was kind of like this banner that they went around and said, it's the economy, stupid. So if you're a candidate that can't help the economy, then don't run. So that was the big thing. I used to laugh because I thought, what do they consider the economy? And the truth is that the average person in the world, let alone this country, doesn't know what the economy means. The economy is not about you. The economy is about how the stock market is doing, how shareholders are getting their money, how to get more investors into these places. And the stock market is not the economy, stupid. I mean, that's really what's the truth. The stock market represents corporations who give money to shareholders in their 401ks and who give dividends. And those are the people in the country that get 1099Rs and 1099Bs and all these different documents for their investments. Well, you know what? The majority of the country is not in the stock market. So when someone says, oh, the stock market's the best it's ever been, you go, well, how's that helping me? No, that usually is not helping you, because what the corporations do when that happens is what they usually do is they lay off people. So while you're getting shareholder dividend, people down the street have lost their jobs. So do not confuse the economy. When they say the economy is doing well, they mean the stock market is thriving, and the stock market is not the economy. So stop doing that. Stop getting caught up in that. The way that you live, the price of food and gas and utilities and just anything retail, fast food, that has all gone up. And why does it go up? Because the people working need a raise. And so when you're complaining about the price of a damn double or a Big Mac or whatever, what you're saying is, I want the price to stay low, and I don't want anybody working at McDonald's to make more money than minimum wage. And here's the problem. Then we complain and say, I can't buy anything. How am I going to get a better job? I need more money. But we don't want to pay anybody anymore because we don't want to pay more for our food or our clothes or shoes or whatever we're buying. So there's this problem where the stock market doesn't care. The stock market is about giving stock shareholders a return on their money. So if it cancels out labor, if it means they raise the cost of a product or they reduce its size, they don't raise the cost, but they reduce the size. So you get less potato chips in your bag of potato chips, or your Big Mac goes from this big to this big and it costs $5 instead of $1.50. You're talking about giving the corporation more money, not people with boots on the ground. Nobody cares about us. Trust me, nobody cares. I am so careful about how I handle my money, and I don't get involved. I have a tiny little 401k, and believe me, I look at it all the time and say, should I be invested in these people? I mean, they're really screwing over the average American. So I'm here to say to you with all sincerity and honesty, when they say the economy's doing great, they mean the stock market's doing great, and the stock market is not the economy. And back before the Ronald Reagan years, it was illegal for corporations to buy back stock and then reissue it. But when Ronald Reagan came in, he allowed that. So now what these corporations are doing is they're buying back their stock, the shares that they have, and then reissuing them. And they're making money, so much money. So if you think they're looking out for you, they are not. They are trimming our workers. We're not manufacturing anything in this country anymore. We're a service country, which is extremely dangerous. And we are just screwing over the average person with the stock market. So I want you to know the stock market is not the economy. So don't let anybody con you with that. Just stay clear on that. Read as much as you can to know that the stock market is just a sanctioned Ponzi scheme. I've said it before and I'll say it again. It's a sanctioned Ponzi scheme. Look up Ponzi scheme, watch the Bernie Madoff documentary, and I'll tell you, you will no longer wonder what the hell the economy is, and you'll know it's not about the stock market. So thanks for listening. Like and subscribe. I'll be back with another controversial subject subject as soon as possible. Take care.